Hey everyone, how's it going today? This is cryptoFOXXY. Thanks guys so much for stopping by my channel. So in this video, I am going to go over some technical input from a very prominent trader, and we're going to talk about altcoin season, why we're seeing a flashing bullish signal for altcoins. So let's jump into it in this video. Make sure you guys smash the like button and subscribe to my channel as well for more cryptocurrency news. So crypto analyst says the only chart to watch is flashing a bullish signal for altcoins. And here is the outlook that he gives us here. The chart of the market cap for most digital assets is flashing a bullish signal against Bitcoin. So what it is, so trader Michaël van de Poppe says that the total 3 chart, so it's called the total 3 chart, appears gearing up for a breakout against the top digital asset by market cap. The total 3 chart tracks the market capitalization of crypto assets, excluding Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins. So basically everything else under, all the altcoins basically put together against that. So total 3 BTC is showing bullish divergence on the daily time frame with the relative strength index momentum oscillator indicator. So he also believes that digital assets are likely to perform better in the coming months based on historic market trends. And the final weeks of pain are happening on the markets, he says. From September onwards, it's again the best period of the cycle for Bitcoin and crypto. Bitcoin valuations are slowly grinding upwards already. So if you follow my channel, you know I've been talking about this. We're coming into what seems to be a historically good period for Bitcoin and altcoins. And it's not just me saying this. I'm not just pulling this out of my ass. I actually, I do a lot of reading, and I do a lot of, I'm not an analyst myself in terms of, I don't sit there and draw things on charts and stuff like that, but I like to look at other people's opinions. I like to look at, historical values and things like that. And, basically everything I'm seeing is pointing to the same conclusion that he's making. And he says Bitcoin needs to hold the $56,000 level on the 12-hour chart to remain in an uptrend. So we can see here, this is the chart here. So the source here is Michaël van de Poppe on X, is where he posted it. And let's jump over. I'm going to show you actually where you can find this chart. This is the total 3 chart. So we can see here that's on TradingView. So if you actually Google total 3 / BTC, I believe the first link is actually the TradingView chart. So just jump on that. And if you have to make, I don't think you have to make an account, but if you want to make an account, TradingView is actually free to use. They do have a basic plan that, you don't have to specifically purchase a plan. But yeah, you can see here, this is the chart that he is looking at. And you can kind of come down here and see some analytics as well. Previous close, open, some data ranges and stuff like that. So I'm also going to jump over and show you guys something. So altcoin season. So we talk about altcoin season. How do we know if it's actually here? Well, this is a really good website, blockchaincenter.net. If you just type in Google, is it altcoin season? It's literally the first link. The altcoin season index shows here. And right now it is showing Bitcoin season. It's Bitcoin season. It is 20 here. Once it starts moving up more towards the side, and then that slider there, then it's more into the altcoin season. See right here, they have, okay, so I'm going to explain what this is, all right? If 75% of the top 50 coins perform better than Bitcoin over the last season, which is 90 days, then it's altcoin season. So basically, Bitcoin, what normally happens is Bitcoin rises, and then it obviously, suddenly falls. And people will take a lot of their profits from Bitcoin and rotate them into altcoins. And what happens there is you get a big, massive altcoin pump. And that's what people refer to as altcoin season. And this is a really good chart to help you kind of gauge where we're at right now. Right now, we are definitely Bitcoin season. We're not even really close to altcoin season. But what Michaël van de Poppe is talking about is bullish indicators. So he's going back and taking a look at, historical data, and basically market sentiment, that kind of thing. And he's concluding that things are looking bullish with RSI and the divergence indicators and such. So that's basically what's going on right now. It's not altcoin season yet, but man, I keep saying this next one, man, is going to be massive. I can't wait. Hopefully, the macro factors all kind of cooperate in this next bull run, because it's going to be absolutely insane, in my opinion. We have a ton of narrative. We have a ton of price suppression right now just because of inflation and things like that. As soon as people have a little bit more money to spend, this thing is going to be insane. But that's just my opinion. Please don't take any of this as financial advice whatsoever. This is just me doing my own due diligence, doing my own research, and you can certainly, have differing opinions. Let me know down below. Do you think we're going to get an altcoin season soon? I think, it's going to be a little bit yet. I think we're going to have to still go through that cycle where Bitcoin goes up massively. We get all-time highs beyond that, and then obviously people will start taking profits and rotating them into altcoins. So it still could probably be months yet, but I think we're gearing up. We're getting close. This is the time where I like to buy. I like to do some, research on different projects. I've been saying that for a while on the channel, all summer basically. I'm going to take the rest of the summer, make sure I solidify my positions, and I'm ready to go for fall. So thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys